The last time I went to Africa, I brought way too much gear. So this time around, I'm better prepared. Here's what I'm gonna bring. First of all, for cameras, I'm gonna bring my A7 Mark IV, my A7 III, and another A7 III, and plenty of lenses. I will bring my 16 to 35 f2.8, especially great for landscapes. For night photography, there's going to be plenty of stars to photograph, and also beautiful skies in the Kalahari and also in the Kruger Park. Then I will bring my 28 to 75. That's on the camera right now filming me. It's just a very versatile lens, and I'm planning to do some camera trap photography. That's what I'm gonna mainly use it for. And of course, for wildlife, I'm gonna use the 70 to 200 f2.8 G Master lens, and this is good for the medium range, kind of where you can get kind of close to the animals, but not too close. And it's just a very, very high quality lens that will do a great job as it did last time around. Then of course, for the faraway animals and for very detailed shots, I'm going to bring the 200-600 lens with me. It's quite lightweight, it's high quality, and I really like this lens a lot, especially for the more hiding animals like leopards in trees, for birds, and generally far away game. This is just a must bring. Then of course, I will bring another camera, my 360 camera, the Insta360 X4. I will bring quite a lot of mounts, so I can put it onto the car. I will also bring the giant 3-meter selfie stick, so I can make it appear as I'm flying a drone, as that is not legal where I will be going, and just a very versatile camera and piece of equipment to bring. Then for more, I'd say, dangerous shots, I will bring my GoPro. So this I can mount on the side of the car, under the car. I'll bring plenty of mounts and clamps and so on, so I can put it basically anywhere where I want to. And it's water resistant until I think 10 meters, which is plenty. And it's just, yeah, you can beat it quite good and it still survives. So definitely a bring. Then 2 more cameras I'm gonna bring. One trail camera. This has mobile data. I'm not gonna be using that in Africa, so I'll leave the antenna here, but it's still a great camera for recording pictures and video of wildlife. Especially gonna use that in the night. When I'm in camp in the Kruger, I'll try and put it on the fence so I can see what's around. And in the Kalahari, it's basically filming the camp to see what's about, maybe put it down at the waterhole. So bring that one. And a second trail camera. This is just amazing at taking videos in 4K. It does not have any cloud thing whatsoever, but it has wireless transmitting, so you can use it in an app. You enable it via Bluetooth. The camera then puts out a Wi-Fi network the phone connects to, so then you can live stream. I will be checking my surroundings with that before I get up in the morning, and then also see what's in the camp and around. Then I will bring 2 of my speed lights. I'm going to pair them with the remote trigger system that I have here. So I can set up a camera trap. I can also do some night photography, for example, illuminate different parts of the scenery and then be able to show it pretty good. Then I'll bring something rather special. It's consisting of quite a few parts. This is the Hano Capture Module Pro and the infrared module. So these I will bring so I can set up a light barrier. So if anything walks in between and breaks the barrier, the camera triggers. And that combined with the speed lights will be able to take pictures at night, for example, of hyenas trying to walk through the camp. But this module also is very good for taking photos of lightning, so definitely going to bring that. And these are the receivers and triggers for the camera. They communicate with this device, so you have a cable coming out of here into the camera and then it triggers. But I will also bring this one here. This is basically a remote trigger, so if I put the camera down somewhere, for example at a pathway where we're expecting an animal to walk, I could put down a camera, sit in the car and then trigger the camera manually. Then we're going to go into the audio department. I will bring the Rode VideoMic 3. This is what I'm using right now. It's two microphones and then of course the receiver that's in the camera. Then I will bring my Rode VideoMic Pro. I'm also going to bring the VideoMic Pro Plus that's currently on the way to me. And then to record some ambience, I'm going to bring my Zoom H4n Pro so I can record the night ambience sound. Then something that is quite important I learned is a good headlight. So I can walk around in the camp at night, can see what's around. This also has a quite handy a mode where you have a red light that is not blinding at all, so you can, for example, cook with it or whatever without annoying anything around. And of course, I'm going to bring lots of mounts. I'm going to bring a good tripod. This is carbon, so it's quite lightweight. And lots of mounts like suction cups for the car to get interior shots, exterior shots. I'm going to bring a small tripod, GorillaPod. And yeah, all in all, lots of gear. It's going to be quite hard to bring it as the airlines have quite strict weight limits for the hand luggage, and I am allowed to bring 10 kilos of hand luggage. And with all the extra batteries that I'm going to bring or that I need, that's going to be quite difficult. I'm going to bring my two big V-mount batteries, and yeah, let's just hope they're not too strict with the 10 kilograms. I'm trying to get as much as I can into the luggage, but I prefer not to put any camera gear in there, but I'm afraid that won't be possible, as I always have to bring my laptop. That's about 2 kilograms already, and then all the batteries, the camera and so on. I think in total I will be at around 20. So yeah, let's see how that's going to go around. And yeah, that's what I'm going to bring for my trip to Africa this year. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'm glad to answer them. And I guess I'm better prepared than last time. And let's see how it goes. And catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.